Alright, this is Unit 4, Lesson 3 homework from your book, page 189. First one we're going to do is number 2. The question is, which postulate, if any, could you use to prove that the two triangles are congruent? So looking at this triangle, what postulate could we use to prove that these two triangles are congruent? Our two choices from today is either side, angle, side, or side, side, side. Those are our only two choices. So looking at this, do we have enough information? And initially looking, you would say no. But what you should notice is this angle is congruent to that angle because they are vertical angles. So based on that, we would have right here would be a side, right here would be a side, and right here would be an angle. So side, side, angle. That does not match side, angle, side, or side, side, side. If I go from the other side, we have a side there, and an angle in the middle. If you notice, spells a bad word. You can't use that postulate then. So we do not have enough information. We would say none. Alright, this is number 3. Same question. Can we use side, angle, side, or side, side, side to prove these triangles are congruent? Well, what I see is we have a side here, and then an angle on that triangle. We have a side here, and an angle. So we have side, angle. The missing piece of information here is there is one side that's not marked that you know is equal. That side would be the one right down the middle here. That side is equal in both triangles. So we actually have side, angle, side, SAS. So side, angle, side works. Our answer would be yes, they can be proven congruent by side, angle, side. Right, this is number 14. Looking at these two triangles, do we have enough information to say they're congruent? And right now, looking at them, I would say no, because we have angle, angle, and a side, and over here, angle, and a side. So what I would say is the easiest thing to do is to have another side, and it's got to be the side next to the angle. So what we need is we need this side to be congruent to that side. Alright, I added my letters in there. So we would need to know that, we would need to know that LG is congruent to MN. If we knew that, then we would have side, angle, side, and they would be congruent. Okay, on to the next one. Alright, number 22. The question here is there enough information to prove the two triangles are congruent? That's question 1. Is there enough information, yes or no? And question number 2, if so, write the congruent statement and name the postulate you would use. If not, write not possible. So looking at number 22, we got triangle AGN and triangle RTW. Are they congruent? Well, looking at this, I would see side, angle, side. And once again, another one, side, angle, side. So the angle is between the two sides. That is a postulate we'd use. So my answer would be yes, we do have enough according to side, angle, side. And how we would write that for the triangles, it's really, really important that order matters. You have to put it in the same order. Alright, so I would say triangle ANG is congruent to, now what goes with AN would be RW, so I have to use that order. Say RW, and then what goes with NG here is WT. Okay, so WT has to come next. WT T. And then obviously order matters, the T's at the end and the R is next. On this one the TR, and that's got to go with the AG, so you have G at the end and A at the start of your other triangle.